The Lunar New Year holiday isn't known for this sort of mask. But for Chinese citizens, anxiety is just one of the things that may be in the air. A new flu-like virus is infecting people in droves, the number of confirmed cases rising every day. And the death toll is quickly jumping too.
I'm getting more and more nervous. My family told me not to go out or go to work. If one person is ill, then our entire family will get sick. It's so serious. We are very scared.
Some 11 million people in the city of Wuhan have now been told to stay put. Urban transport has been suspended, flights in and out of the city grounded, and citizens are told not to leave the city unless they have to.
The advice to the DG, which is provided by the emergency committee, is that now is not the time. That's a bit too early to consider that this event is a public health emergency of international concern. And finally, advice to the global community to be ready for a potential evolution of this epidemic, which may require in some time the declaration.
Officials have urged authorities to be open about the situation. That may reassure global health experts, as cases have already been confirmed beyond China's borders, as far away as the United States. Chinese authorities are still trying to figure out where the coronavirus came from. They believe it started at a market where illegal animal meat is sold. What's most concerning, though, is that the virus can spread from person to person. Many Chinese have cancelled planned trips for the holiday. They've also been avoiding public places like cinemas and shopping malls as authorities fight to contain the disease. The government's response contrasts with its secrecy over the SARS outbreak about 17 years ago. That also started in China and killed about 800 people. Experts don't believe the new virus is as dangerous as SARS, but the growing worries, as well as the virus itself, are already bringing back those memories. Samantha Vardas, TRT World, Beijing.